Bro, stop. Don't
Hey
say that. I'm not
guys.
gonna do that.
Okay, just don't move too much. Anyway, we're back again. We got
Wait. The thumbnail, bro.
Subway.
Yeah.
Yes.
And Mountain Dew.
Basically, yeah. So we got we got 2 half-foot longs, and I made one of them a combo, so it came with a drink and a side. And guess what the sides are.
Besides your chips, right? No? A cookie? Yo!
I'm just kidding. I paid extra for that,
Yeah?
and you didn't give me enough money for that.
How much? Let me see. Wait, hold on. This is not on camera.
Nah, I'm just kidding. No,
Okay.
it's either chips or cookies.
No.
You get to pick 2 cookies.
Oh, you give me a tip. That's right.
Yeah.
$2.
10% tip.
I didn't know they took tips.
Okay.
Interesting. I didn't take account to the tip. My bad.
Anyway, so yeah.
Anyways, we
I got
cookies. We don't need cookies later.
Okay.
Oh, alright. Whatever. No. Wait, which
Anyway.
is yours? The chocolate?
We're both trying both of them.
Okay.
This is like Crumble 2.0. Okay, wait. Can I tell them what the cookies are?
Yeah.
Anyway, I got a chocolate chip cookie and a double chocolate chip cookie.
You know me and Yassine, we're gonna skip today to go to Costco and get a cookie.
Skip what?
6th period. So we do that.
Him and his friend are hella gay.
Nah, Yassine was tweaking. Hey, if you're watching this, you were tweaking today. I'm not gonna lie.
Cool. You're lucky. You're lucky that you're doing that thing for me. Yeah, he's lucky that he's helping me with something. Okay. So this is mine. We'll do mine first.
Okay.
I got a steak Philly without onions. I took the onions off yours too.
Really?
Sorry if you
No,
wanted
it's
them.
fine.
Anyway, I got a steak Philly. Oh, it doesn't look too amazing.
Let me see.
But I hope I'm proved wrong. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like that.
Yeah. Okay, there you go.
Okay. And then mine was a honey mustard barbecue. Ooh, yeah, that smell, bro. Holy freak. Yeah, I would say. This is like my second time having Subway. First, second? I actually don't know. I don't even know if I've had it. But, look, it doesn't look very. Well, doesn't look like a lot, but we'll see, bro.
Wow. Okay.
Okay. Stop. Wait.
That's good bread.
Whoa. Low-key, I don't taste any of the. I probably haven't gone to the M today, but.
This is so messy.
Okay.
Mmm. That's good.
No, good. This should always be on the right side. You might.
Bro, this is hella messy. We need to vacuum again.
Okay.
Freak a leak. I'm pissed. I didn't. We did a lab in physio in my physiology class, and I didn't realize how much sodium is in like everything.
Yeah.
Like
So-
there's so much sodium, guys. Check actually check the nutritional values of all the fast foods that you get. Like
It's a lot, and it's bad.
you'd be surprised.
But YOLO, because
YOLO, the frick, who cares? But it's just like surprising.
yeah. Mm. Mm.
No. No. There's the Kleenex, but
Mm. Mm.
let's do it with your hands, bro.
Okay, it's pretty. This one's pretty good. You want to try it?
Good. Nope.
Like the part with
no.
it?
No.
Okay. Mm. It's looking better than I expected.
It's pretty average, I think.
How many times have you had it?
Like, I don't know. Like a lot since childhood.
Mm. Yeah, this is my first time, so. Mm. Mm. It's pretty good for a fast food sandwich place. But there's definitely better. But like, Mm. So what's the senior night plan?
What?
You want to tell them the theme?
No. I can't like explain a lot. No.
Just say the theme.
No, stop. Pokemon. For
Yeah.
his tennis senior night, the theme is Pokemon. I thought of it.
Because every other guy on the team couldn't think of anything, so.
I actually thought about that like way before. But whatever.
Before it was brain rot too.
What?
Brain rot. That's what everyone wanted to do.
Oh.
How long has it been since we've uploaded a video? It's trying to make a month.
When did Senior Assassin start?
March. Like 2019? Somewhere around there?
Like almost a month.
Mm.
But I uploaded it like I don't know, probably a week after. Excuse me.
Yeah, you seen that to stick up his booty cheeks today. I wonder if he'll ever tell you the story. Maybe when he's like 30.
What story?
Oh, you know.
Like what's going on? Well, I'll tell you about the fight. What I know.
But I told you to come. She was. I told her something what happened, and then she just like she came up with just saying, "Oh, I don't know," and she left.
Because I didn't know like what I didn't know the backstory, but I could tell you like who.
Who?
It was like those white sophomores or freshmen.
The short ones?
Hamza could probably tell you. Silly could
should I
probably
call
tell
him?
you. Just ask them. Okay?
Like, what'd you see?
It was behind me.
Oh,
Not right behind me, but like a couple tables behind me. In like the gap or whatever.
Uh-huh.
And then Blaine was like, "Oh my gosh, the white boys are fighting." It's like the ghetto white boys. You don't know what I'm talking about?
Describe them.
I'm low-key scared. They're gonna get my ass.
They're not gonna get you on this, bro. No way they're watching this. Hey, look at your hair.
Anyway, Blaine was like, "The white boys are fighting," and then like I looked back, and then I saw them like they were kind of like wrestling. You know, like how like they're not you like they were like hugging each other, but they were like yeah. Yeah, and they were hella red. It was hella funny. And then like Gabe, do you know who Gabe is? Like the curly, super curly hair.
Oh yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's tall. He wears glasses. No.
No.
Gabe. Is he? What is he
He's
like?
a sophomore.
Was he on the basketball team?
I don't know.
Maybe I think I know. Maybe I don't know.
Why am I name dropping? And then he like stopped them, and then site safety stopped them. Yeah.
I'll probably tell Hamza to tell me how
Hamza literally hanging out with him. And Salim.
Is he like a kind of tall white dude with like blonde hair?
Sebastian, no.
No, not Sebastian.
The one that like
No, he's like medium. He's not as tall as him. He's like 5'10". And he has like
skinny, and then like he bleached his hair.
yeah.
No, not him. That's Sebastian.
No, not him, bro. That boy's like 6'5", bro. What? That is not 5'10".
Oh, 5'10", sorry.
5'10".
Okay.
He's like.
No, he didn't bleach his hair.
He's chubby.
He's blonde.
Is he
he's chubby.
Yeah, I know it is.
Okay. And then there was another white one.
Bro.
Who looks like him.
Bro.
Like they're the same like genre. You know?
Oh yeah, I know he didn't.
I started reading my book. He got me. I don't know if you guys. I wonder if I've already talked about this. Hopefully I haven't, but whatever. I don't know if you guys know about Wings of Starlight. If you watch Tinkerbell, Secret of the Wings, so you know like Queen Clarion and like Lord Mallory. This is like we all know like they had love, you know. So this story goes into like detail or whatever. Their love in the past of Pixie Hollow. And I started to read it because we've been doing state testing this past week. And I finished. So that's what I did. I
What's
only
the plot?
read like 17 pages. I just told you the plot.
You said it goes into detail.
Yeah, of their love story. She's a warm fairy, he's a winter fairy. You know? So then they they can't cross the border. Because like warm fairies can't go to cold and vice versa because their wings would break. So yeah. So like yeah. Forbidden love, Romeo and Juliet type shit.
Whoa.
Type butt.
Yeah.
Shut.
Anyways. But yeah, I got her that book actually right over there across the street. So. So like you're gonna finish it by this one?
Yeah.
Oh, did you?
I don't know. I'll probably finish it in the summer.
Yeah. Actually, no, you're not gonna have any time during the summer.
If I am.
Feel
You're
you?
not gonna have me all day.
Guess.
Idiot.
Oh,
I'm
Oh.
sorry, I need to extend my legs.
leg extension. Ooh, ooh. Bro, but what's happening the last month? Yo, you know, bro, I'm about to graduate in 1 month, bro. They gave us they just gave us the permission slip where you have to sign your signature and how many tickets you want, and then I was looking at that. I was like, "There's no way."
How many tickets do you want?
10 to break.
Who?
Me for real. So it's gonna be 6. It's gonna be my whole family. My little sister, I'm just gonna say she's 5 because like she's 5 to break, bro.
6.
Shh. Bro, I gotta fix your tickets, bro. Okay, and then you, and then my half brother, the one that got me the job,
Mm-hmm.
and then maybe my grandparents if they come.
Wait, 6.
Yeah, and you're 7, and my half brother's 8.
6.
Yeah, my dad. Oh wait, 5, I guess. My dad and my mom, because my little sister doesn't count. My brother, my older brother, my little brother,
Oh yeah.
and then you, and then my half brother, and then my grandparents, and then I don't know, maybe the last one will go to Coach Ty.
Your little sister isn't even 5.
Shh, why are we airing this out to the public, bro? We're trying to save a ticket, bro. She looks like she's 5, right? Yeah, that's crazy, bro. I'm gonna graduate. We graduate on June 3rd. It's on a Wednesday. We graduate at 7. Well, not at 7.
PM?
It starts, yeah.
PM?
It's gonna be like last year.
3 a.m.
Yeah, that's fire, bro. Well, you wouldn't want to graduate during the sunset? Yeah, that's what they did last year, too. It was looking fire. Yeah. And we're gonna goon around after. like go around, do random stuff. Like something random at
Who?
us.
Me?
And your team. And everyone. Yes,
Not
you're
me.
included.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. No,
Are
I'm
you
not.
are you really gonna neglect me on the day of my graduation?
I'm not included with your senior friends. I'm not even included on prom.
Bro. Okay. Let's run you down through the prom situation. So I was gonna ask her to obviously go to prom with me, but low key. At first it was because I thought it was gonna be awkward, but then like okay, I got over there or whatever, and then like it was like oh like she's like you can go. And then after that, now the issue is dinero. The ticket is like $150, and then on top of that,
They still gave me small piece of onion. Ew, no.
waste it. Anyways, the ticket was $150, and like even if I bought the ticket, she'd still have to pay like what, like $100, $150 for a dress, and like low key, she doesn't have the money for a dress.
Yeah.
So, and then my car just broke down on Monday. So like, had I bought the ticket, it would probably like I'm almost under a K, bro. I'm a little bit the border, but we'll see. But you wouldn't mind if I do like a side quest?
What side quest?
I do a side quest, you know what I mean?
I don't know what you mean.
Like a promposal, but like not a promposal, you know what I mean?
When are you gonna do this?
Before prom.
Why would you do that?
Because every girl deserves a promposal.
But I'm not going to prom.
You're not gonna go to prom, but I'm gonna take this.
No, I don't want you to do that. You're gonna make me cry.
Bro, actually,
And what are you even gonna get for it?
What do you mean?
You're just gonna have Bethany make a poster and then like buy me snacks and then like.
No. I was gonna take you somewhere or like come do something.
No.
Bro.
No. Oh, we need to review the cookies.
Oh, you're right.
Go ahead and start.
Fake. So which one was this one? The double chocolate, the double chunk, whatever cookie?
Yes.
Mm.
You go.
Okay. Nah. What are you playing? I think it's because I can't taste. This is the chocolate chip cookie.
Wait, lock the doors. Good boy.
Yeah. I don't think my taste buds are good because I can't taste it. Can you taste it? Alright, take it over. Here, grab this. I had the same idea. Ooh, it's gonna be, yeah, it's definitely gonna be
Oh
like.
my god. Freaking hose.
What the?
Oh, bye guys. Oh.
Whoa, you have to try to. Yeah,
I'm
this is.
sorry guys. I need to like. I'm sorry.
Just clean this right now. Just leave it. We'll just vacuum it, bro.
Okay, but like the
Wait,
big
wait, wait. Can
pieces. What?
Oh. Wait, can I? Wait.
Oh, that's why we need your car, bro.
Why is it blurry?
Okay, you're gay. Okay, let me try the cookie. Oh, I rate my sandwich.
Yeah, we look just survived that. Oh.
I rate my sandwich like a 7. It's pretty good. That's standard.
Yeah, I'd say like a 7. It's pretty good.
And monkey shit.
Whoa. I like can't even taste it, bro. It's like so bad. The chocolate chip one is like it's like a 6.
That's very cute. It's like cute. It's like really sweet, but it's not like a strong sweet. But like it's pretty sweet. But it's not super strong. It's like a cute. It's a twangy sweet.
White. Oh, that looks it looks good. That's like a. Let me see. Let me try it again.
No, it's good.
That was like an 8.
I give the double chocolate an 8. The chocolate a 7.
Mm.
Pretty good.
Valid.
W's in the chat. Overall, like a 7.5. Subway does its job.
7.67.
6.7.
367.
7.67.
Sure. 7.67.
Bye guys. Thank you for watching.
Anything else you have to add? Alright. Oh. Let me get a sip. I got like a sip. That's really cool. Anyways, we're out. She's going to I can't say that. I'm gonna be loud. But anyways, we'll see y'all.
Going to what?
Nothing. We'll see y'all whenever we see y'all. Are we gonna record the Chromebook?
No.
Alright. We'll see y'all in like 2 weeks.
Adios, amigos.
Bye.